Michael Devre, Assistant Professor, Rohini College of Engineering and Technology, Kanyakumari. Today we are seeing up the topic is drilling. So this is based on a blasting plan determining in advance holes are drilled in the foremost front wall of the tunnel. The holes can be drilled manually or using a jumbo. The jumbo is known as a name boomer. So the length of the drill holes depends upon the length to be blasted in one cycle. The method used for tunneling support system used. Following are the most commonly used drilling patterns for the tunnels. The first method is the wedge cutting or V-cutting drilling pattern. In this pattern, horizontal cut holes are driven around the middle of the face in an inclined angle of 600 to the face towards the center. Maximum explosive charge concentration is required at the apex end of the blast holes, as they are to be blasted at the first instant for cohesion of the free face. Cone pyramid, then otherwise the name is called the diamond cut drilling pattern. 4 or 6 holes are cut at the middle of the face, which converge at the end to form either cone or pyramid or diamond shape. The cut is suitable for the laminated rocks, sedimentary rocks. It also helps in drivage of smaller cross-sectional areas, tunnel so as to break the rock along the cleavage planes. The third one is the the otherwise name is the boulder cutting drilling pattern. The burn cut holes are drilled parallel to the tunnel advance and perpendicular to the face of the tunnel. Holes of large diameter, say 100 mm, or a set of closely spaced close of conventional. Specific geometrical ratio between the diameter of the dummy holes and the spacing in between dummy holes and charge blast holes is required to be maintained for the given rock in order to create the free face. Blasting the holes charged with the explosives. Although more than 100 explosives may be set off one after the other, the blast sequence is completed in several seconds. Only when the blast master has ensured that nobody is left in the danger zone, the explosion can be triggered by the blasting machine. The choice of initiation system and selection of daily sequence. The first step is the manufacturing and breaking time of the rock and time required for the spreading out cracks in the rocks to be studied. This rock spreading speed can vary from 1 to 3 million seconds per meter, but the ejection speed of rock after blast may vary from 20 to 30 meters per second, 20 to 30 mm per millisecond. It can be understood for that 4 meter long blast holes. The broken rock takes about 300 to 400 milliseconds for the complete removal from the face. So the advantages of the delay denotes or better fragmentation, reduced secondary blasting, more uniformity in size of fragmentation, controlled blasting, less damage to peripheral, reduced requirement of support system, safer tunnel operation in general, and reduced requirement of scaling. Control blasting generally involves closer spacing of contour blast holes, which are also called as dreamers. Air cooler method. In order to reduce the cracking or damage to the strata or the periphery, it is advisable to air cool method, which can be minimize the radial vector components of blast induced vibrations. This method consists of inserting into the blast holes an inert spacing device of a length about 4 times the diameter of the blast hole prior to changing or first explosive cartridge. This method consists of inserting into blast holes an inert space in the of length about 4 times the diameter of the blast hole. Efficiency of building. Efficiency of blasting is routinely assessed by tabulating pull, specific charge, specific drilling, detonator or hole factor, blast, induced damage, and overbreak under against the values assumed during planning. Thank you.